In this video, I will show you how to refund a game on Steam. First, open Steam app or visit Steam website and sign into your account. Now click on the profile name at the top right corner and select account details. Next, click View Purchase History and select the game you want to refund from the list of recent purchases. Now scroll down and click I would like a refund, then select I'd like to request a refund. On refund page, you'll see the game you're refunding, the refund amount, and where the refund will be sent. In many cases, you can choose to receive the refund in your Steam wallet or back to your original payment method. Open the Reason drop-down menu and choose the option that best matches your situation. You can also enter additional details in notes box to explain why you are requesting a refund. Once you're done, click Submit Request to send your refund request to Steam. Keep in mind that Steam generally approves refunds if you own the game for less than 14 days and have played for less than 2 hours. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.